live from the #1 urban farm in America, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm in the Jazz District, where it lives, with another impromptu masterclass. Visit our website, opheliasbluevinefarm.com, where you can get farm fresh eggs delivered every Saturday live from DoorDash. Get them delivered 10-mile area in Kansas City, or you can pick them up here at the farm. It's cold. I suggest you get them delivered through DoorDash. Don't forget to stop by my world-famous YouTube channel, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. 597 videos all dedicated to urban farming, including Pablo the Farm Cat was catnapped. Pablo, you gotta stay out of the street. You only have 8 lives left. Pablo got catnapped, but Farmer Mike tracked the thief and got Pablo back. Watch that video on the YouTube channel. Days of content we've created. Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. Pablo, go to bed. No, Pablo is ready for his close-up. Pablo, that's my line. Let's get into today's masterclass. So, oh man, feeling so good as we come to the end of a season, and Vine Street honey, you know, we had, Pablo, if you don't get out of the street, Pablo, get out of the street, huh? I'm gonna have to give you, I'm gonna get the switch. No, Pablo, I'm gonna do like Grandma Ophelia. Don't try to run now. I'm gonna do like Grandma Ophelia, Pablo. I'm gonna get the switch. You're gonna learn tonight, Pablo. You're gonna learn tonight. Grandma Ophelia. If your grandmother made you go and pick your own switch, did she bring back the, let me know in the comment section. I know Bonnie Jackson knows about that switch. Let me know in the comment section if your grandmother too had to discipline. All right, Pablo, I got the switch now. Now you get. Oh, don't try to run now. Pablo, stay out the street. Stay out the street. And next time, I'm going to get the tree. All right, let's get into it. So, you know, we had some issues with the honey thief at Ophelia's in the last couple of years. And actually, we still have some honey from last year, a blend of 2 years, Vine Street honey and honey from our hives at Edwardsville, Kansas. It's $196 an ounce. Go to the store. You get it delivered as well with DoorDash. Get it delivered well with DoorDash. Still have limited quantities of that blend available. And look at what we have. What do we have? Oh, yes. Oh, we're going to have some great honey, y'all. Oh, baby. It's not ready just yet. Well, it's ready, but it's not processed yet. Oh, they didn't make it. They died for you. Are they still, maybe some of them, maybe they're still alive. Is that one still moving? Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. Ooh-wee. Oh, yes, the Vine, the Ophelia's honey for 2025 is looking, I think there's still some bees in here. I'm not going to get stung, so some of them are just playing there because it's cold. But anyway, as you can see, I don't know, should I dare? Let's see what Pablo thinks. Pablo, come here, Pablo. You want to try it? I hit him with the switch. He's not to be bothered. So good, y'all. Oh, so. so good. It's so good. Oh, 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 so good. It's so good. We gotta bottle it. Be looking for that shortly. We'll drop that next year, the beginning of next year. This is 2025 honey. We'll do it $196 an ounce in 1 and 2 ounce jars. Look for that. And there you have it. There you have it. The honey. The honey. Oh, look at it. So fresh, so local, hyper low, so organic. A hell of a story. The Jazz District and the Potato King soil. Limited. There'll be limited quantities available. Only. That's a 1 ounce and 2 ounce offer. 1 ounce offer, $196. Commemorative bottle and great packaging as well. So look for that. Look for that. Go to our website, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, and we'll deliver that as well. Last year's still limited quantities available from last year. Check that out. And this will be available. These jars, 1 ounce and 2 ounce commemorative jars, will be available. We'll do those the beginning of next year, 2025. Going out with a bang! Oh, I love it. Love it. Living in spirit, living in the gifts, working late. If that spirit runs in you, just like it did in Grandmother Ophelia, let me know in the comment section. Visit our website. Get those farm fresh eggs pre-order for Saturday pickup or delivery on the DoorDash app. 10 miles, almost all of the metro, 10 miles around the farm here at Vine. Get those eggs delivered Saturday morning. Get them delivered Saturday so you can bake those cookies, cakes, pies, or so scrambled eggs. Get them delivered with DoorDash. Farmer Mike putting in the work, showing you the fruits of our labor, showing you how it's done, and so excited to bring you this limited commemorative honey. I'm gonna show you one more time. Show you one more time. You can't get this at Walmart, y'all. You can't get these eggs at Walmart. You can't. This is Miss Bonnie Jackson. She had some honey last year. She said, "You're gonna have to bring me another." Look. They think we playing. They think I'm playing, and it's got the bees on it. These bees die so that you can live and enjoy the honey. Oh, look it. It's just dripping. It's just dripping, Miss Bonnie Jackson. Oh, hey, thumbs up in the comment section if you love full frames of Ophelia's honey. A blend of Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm and also our the Vine highs and the Eversville highs. We're gonna blend the Potato King soil highs. We're gonna blend together again and do it just like we did last year. And it's amazing. You'll love it. This is a $196 an ounce offer. But it's worth it. For some people, the price don't matter. Is that you? Yeah. So it's limited. It requires a lot of work. So we still got some work. We still have some processing to do. And we fed these bees seeded heirloom watermelon all season. And bring me some. She said, bring me some. We fed them seeded heirloom watermelon all season. And the honey just tastes amazing. I'm gonna show you. I gotta show you one more time. Because I'm feeling good. Because I'm on the vine and I'm feeling good. I'm on the vine and I'm feeling good. Oh yeah. Oh, let's see. We got one right there. It wants me to rotate my phone. We got one right there that didn't make it. We lose some, but they worked very hard. And we left some for the bees to get through the winter. We left some, but that's what you're getting. Delicious, you know, antiviral, antifungal properties. Once we process it, this honey can outlive you and stay fresh. And I don't even, you know what? This honey is this honey won't go bad. 2025, a very good year. I love it, Miss Bonnie. Oh, we're having a good time. And Miss Bonnie says she's got some cat litter maybe for you, Pablo. Pablo, stay out of the street. I bet you got a nice shelter back there, farm cat Pablo. Oh, the honey, you tasted it? You want some of that? You taste it? You taste it? What do you think about our Vine Street honey, Pablo? You like that, Pablo? Pablo likes it too. Can cats have honey? Let me know in the comment section. Anyway, I got to get out of here. Get this honey out of here. And on the truck. But again, Farmer Mike showing you it can be done. If you want some fresh, local, organic honey, go to our website, Ophelia's Bovine Farm. You can order that, have it delivered, and the 2020, 2024, 2023, 2024, 2022 blend, or you can wait. This will be available next year. Beginning of next year, you can wait for the 2025. This is the 2025 Ophelia's Bovine Farm Honey Blend. Oh, woo! Feeling so good, living in the gift. We're gonna end. We're going to end this year just as strong as we started, and really looking forward to next year and more beautiful things to come. More eggs, more chickens, more farm cats, more honey, serving more people in the community. Right, Pablo? And that's what it's all about. Anyway, I got to get out of here. Go to the channel, watch those videos, and I will see you in the next video.